Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today on Need for Knowledge, we go behind the scenes to see how McDonald's hamburger buns are made, as well as an insight into the secret ingredient used in the McDonald's hamburger bun. In this enlightening episode of our Enlightening series, we're turning the spotlight towards an integral component of the diverse, intricate infrastructures that provides the sustenance for the world's most recognized and iconic fast food chain, McDonald's. We are gearing up to delve into the captivating mystery surrounding the genesis of their universally adored, tantalizingly soft, delightfully crusty, subtly sweet, and impeccably toasted hamburger buns. So hold on to your seats, because there's a riveting revelation waiting for us towards the finale of this culinary adventure that guarantees to radically transform your perception of these seemingly humble, yet indispensable constituents of every McDonald's burger. Today, we are about to embark on an extensive exploration journey, scrutinizing the creative artistry, the rigorous scientific principles, and the technologically advanced industrial mechanisms that facilitate the birth of the emblematic McDonald's hamburger buns. We will take a detailed look at the methodical sequence of steps, the stern quality assurance measures, and uncover some intriguing tidbits of trivia related to these radiant golden orbs of deliciousness. Don't forget, there's a sensational secret about these buns, a secret that we are extremely eager to share with you, and we'll do that at the very climax of this video journey. McDonald's, a brand name that's familiar in every corner of our global community, took its initial steps in the year 1940. What started as a humble barbecue joint tucked away in the sunny suburban landscape of San Bernardino, California, over the decades transformed, adapted, and expanded, evolving into an overwhelming fast food titan. Today, it satiates the hunger pangs of a staggering 69 million patrons every day. Spread across 100 different countries, a fascinating common thread tying together every single one of these establishments is their unwavering commitment to using an identically produced hamburger bun. The tale of the McDonald's hamburger bun begins in the sprawling, sun-dappled wheat fields that majestically carpet the fertile heartlands of America. Here, the carefully chosen wheat grains are reaped and transported to the towering grain silos, making the first step to their transformative journey. These rigorously selected wheat grains are then put through a thorough grinding process. They're diligently refined to achieve a specific texture, changing the hard grains into a cloud-like, powdery flour that forms the principal foundation of the buns. This flour is combined with water, yeast, and an eclectic selection of ingredients within a colossal, technologically advanced industrial mixer. The ingredients are perfectly balanced in a precise formula to ensure the dough embodies McDonald's distinctive flavor and texture signature. Following the blending of ingredients, the dough is left to undergo the proofing stage, also known as rising. This process is governed by a strictly timed schedule, during which the dough is held in a carefully controlled environment that upholds a specific temperature and humidity balance. This stage allows the yeast to perform a biochemical magic, causing the dough to inflate, doubling in size, and resulting in the light, airy texture that is synonymous with the perfect hamburger bun. Once the dough has risen successfully, it's guided into a sophisticated portioning machine. This intricate piece of machinery is designed to divide the voluminous mass of dough into uniformly sized portions. Each individual piece is then rounded by a specially calibrated device that's meticulously engineered to produce a flawless sphere, all while ensuring no harm comes to the delicate structure of the dough. These perfectly spherical dough balls are then allowed a resting period, a vital phase often referred to as benching. This resting period allows the dough to relax and further develop its gluten structure, ensuring the perfect consistency and texture for the buns. After the dough balls have had their well-deserved rest, they're gently conveyed into a truly gargantuan industrial oven, a towering monument to the art of baking. Inside this awe-inspiring chamber, a sanctuary for bread making, the buns undergo a metamorphosis at meticulously monitored temperatures. Here, absolute control of the heat and timing is crucial to ensure the buns develop the ideal golden brown complexion and a subtly crispy exterior, a signature characteristic of the McDonald's hamburger bun. As they make their exit from the oven, these buns aren't immediately ushered on their journey yet. They first have to undergo an essential cooling process within a meticulously maintained, temperature-controlled environment. This crucial cooling phase facilitates the bun's crust to firm up just enough and flavors within to further develop and mature, thus enhancing the overall taste. Post their brief but essential cooling interlude, the buns are then methodically packaged, ensuring their freshness is securely sealed within. They are then carefully arranged onto pallets, poised and ready to be dispatched to their assigned McDonald's outlets scattered across the globe, ready to satiate millions of hungry customers. Upon reaching their final destination, these buns are prepped and ready to take center stage as a key player in the delightful ensemble that is a McDonald's hamburger. They are lightly toasted, a step that serves to enhance their unique flavor and provide the perfect stage for McDonald's famed patties and their signature array of toppings and sauces. And now, we've reached the moment you've been on the edge of your seats for, the grand reveal of the secret. The McDonald's hamburger bun, which might seem ordinary at first glance, houses a unique ingredient that endows it with its distinctive sweetness and texture. Are you ready for this eye-opening revelation? It's quite the unexpected component: cornmeal. This unlikely addition bestows these buns with their unique texture and a gently sweet undertone that millions across the globe find absolutely irresistible. We hope you've thoroughly enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tour, providing an in-depth perspective on the making of the iconic McDonald's hamburger bun. The journey from simple grains of wheat to the splendidly golden, subtly sweet, and perfectly toasted bun that we all recognize and love is truly a testament to the extraordinary process that brings our favorite foods to our tables. Before you bid us farewell, we would absolutely love to hear from you. Were you privy to the cornmeal secret before this video? Or perhaps you have an interesting fact or anecdote about McDonald's or its food that you're bursting to share. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Let's stimulate a thoughtful and enlightening conversation. We're sincerely grateful that you joined us on this gastronomic voyage. Until we meet again, continue your pursuit of knowledge, never cease exploring, and always stay hungry for learning. Thank you for watching this episode of Need for Knowledge, and we will see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for new videos.